Like most days, today was a fat lot of not much. So I thought of reciting a monologue or soliloquy from Shakespeare, but there's only one I know off the top of my head without double checking some of the lines. If we shadows have offended, think but this, and all is mended, that you have but slumbered here while these visions did appear, and this meek and idle theme no more yielding but a dream. Gentles, do not reprehend, if you pardon, we will mend. And as I am an honest puck, if we have unearned luck, so to scape the serpent's tongue, we'll make amends ere long. Else the puck or liar call, and so good night unto you all. Give us your hands if we be friends, and Robin shall restore amends. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.